Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show to you how you clean up the cookies history or all other site on the Google Chrome browser. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chrome browser on your phone and please just stay into this tab or this looks on this page, on the home page, and there will be a shortcuts coming up right here. There could be a bookmarks, reading list, recent tabs, and history. Tap into the history, guys. The next, there will be like only one button down part here, which is the clear browsing data, and then you just need to tap it. Now, instead of browsing history, there will be like a cookies and site data. Now tap into the cookies and website data. The next is just go click clear browsing data and confirm that you want to clear it. And now we already got the cookies and site data is clean. Now you just need to tap done and it's just finished. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.